Come test drive the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel. Your new ride is just a phone call away.